My name is Andrew Mardas, and I am the manager of High Value Smalls. To put it simply, the mission of High Value Smalls is to find the diamonds in the rough. We receive a lot of items, and some of those items are in new condition. We can get a better return by removing those items, verifying their condition, and listing them individually. This makes it easier for our customers to find the items they need to keep their business running. There are 4 roles within High Value Smalls. The first role is sorting. They separate the High Value Smalls items from the general inventory items. Next, the product listers gather all the relevant information off the items, verify condition, take photos, and then enter all that information into our inventory management system. The inventory and parcel team are responsible for putting all the completed items away into storage. They pull all the High Value Smalls orders that come in from online or in-person sales and ship them if necessary. Before an item is made available for sale, it needs to be priced. We research all of the items listed within the department and price them based on market forces. The skills necessary to thrive in High Value Smalls are attention to detail, curiosity, and good time management. We deal with numerous brands, models, and quantities. With such a high volume of items, it is vital to not get overwhelmed while making sure each item is given the attention it deserves. The new items we can list sell closer to retail than their used counterparts. By giving a little more attention to the High Value Smalls items, the customer is able to buy more efficiently and effectively. Culture at HGR24 is fast-paced but all about teamwork. Everyone has respect for their role and the roles of all their other employees at HGR that keep the millions of pounds of surplus moving